For demonstration, here we have 21 stitches on my needle, 15 stitches, multiple of 5, 3 times 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15, and plus 4 extra stitches, 19 plus 2 edge stitches, 21. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit anybody you want. So let's begin. This is first row and wrong side. This pattern start from wrong side. First row, wrong side. Slip and yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit 1 with 2 times yarn over, 1, 2, 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 4, knit 1 with 2 times yarn over. This is 5 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 5. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit 1 with 2 times yarn over, 1, 2, 1. One more time. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit 1 with 2 times yarn over, 1, 2, 1. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern. Last 5 stitches. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull edge from wrong side. First row is completed. Now second row, wrong side. In this row we start our second color. Knit edge with second color. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip 1, purl wise. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 4, slip 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip 1, purl wise. One more time. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip 1. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern. Last 5 stitches. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit edge from right side. Second row is completed now. Third row, right side. Slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn in front, slip 1, yarn in back. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 4, yarn in front and slip 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn in front, slip 1, yarn in back. One more time. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn in front, slip 1, yarn in back. Last 5 stitches. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is fourth row, right side. Again we make this row same as row second. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 4, slip 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip 1. One more time. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip 1. Last 5 stitches. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit edge from right side. Fourth row is completion of fifth row, wrong side. Again this row we make same as row third, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in front, slip 1 purlwise, yarn in back. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 4, slip 1. Again we repeat this pattern. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in front, slip 1, yarn in back. One more time, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in front, slip 1, yarn in back. Last 5 stitches, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl edge from wrong side. 6th row, right side. From this row we start our first color or base color, knit edge. Now knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. 6th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So one more time we make this pattern from first row. First row wrong side, slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1 with 2 times, yarn over, 1, 2, 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Again we repeat this pattern. हम इस जो है knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1 with 2 times, yarn over, 1, 2, 1. One more time, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1 with 2 times, yarn over, 1, 2, 1. Last 5, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl edge from wrong side. Again we start this pattern from first row. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater, gents half sweater, full sweater. So friend, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.